Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to export your Claude data. So to get started, sign into Claude with your user account and we're going to want to navigate to the settings menu. So to get there, simply click on your profile icon at the bottom left hand side of your screen. Click on settings and you should have this window pop up. So now we're going to want to go to privacy, and if we scroll down a little bit, you can see that there's an option here to export your data. So go ahead and click on that and you're going to be able to customize what sort of information will be exported as well as the time frame. So if you'd like to set a custom time frame, you can go ahead and change that there, but I'll leave everything as their default for now. So once you've got that sorted out, you can go ahead and click on export and you're going to see a notification appear at the top right hand side of your screen. The next step is going to involve.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue. Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
Is sign into the email account associated with your Claude account. I've already done so here. And as you can see, just got a new email. It says my data is ready for download. So you can go ahead and click on that and it should start downloading all your data. As you can see, it's saved in a file, which I can now import into another LLM or just to see what kind of data Claude has about me. So that's going to be it for this video. Really quick and really easy, and I hope you were able to follow along. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.